avuxeni vahlaleri nhlikani va vulavula ku lani i Kidwayne ni mfana wa kwala Bekasdorp ni huma kwala dorobeni ra Tzaneen. So xiyimbeleri ni nqambi ni yimbelele tinghoma ta rap, ni yimbelele hip hop, ni yimbelele R&B, ni yimbelela ni Afrobeat, na titswalela tinghoma ta mina. So a mi kombele ku ta teka xinkarhana lexi ni mi navetise tinghoma ta mehe leti ni tlangaka tona. Ni rhandza ku khensa ngopfu ka Munghana Lonene eka nkarhi lowu va nga nyika wona.
Ready to go. Get ready to go. Just get ready to go. Yeah. Ikalan babjalan tapopa. Yeah. Yeah, abantibi kahle mina ngozi. Yeah. Yeah, and noma kutlula na bova. Yeah. Yeah, look baphahla lakta huma glozy. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm grinding, man, it love I'm over. Yeah. Yeah, told my mom I'm gonna worry in your body. Yeah. There's too many rumors and got about the lawyer. Yeah. All them haters, pretenders, I swear you don't move me. I don't search for a try, man, I'm making a trend, yeah. Yeah. Say my prayers to God and decide on my true. No. I saw good people chance I'm there like Itori. No, number one in this game, lava fan and a trophy. Yeah, Ikalan babjalan tapopa. Yeah, yeah, abantibi kahle mina ngozi. Yeah, yeah, and noma kutlula na bova. Yeah, yeah, look baphahla lakta huma glozy. Yeah, I heard him say trap ya tsanini ya bora. Yeah. Man, I got the juice, marangari groovy. No, send my tracks to my sister, she sending a rosy. No, they say kid when we wish that you was born in Josie. Yeah, I won't ganti Lathela until they heard all of my songs. They say yo, boy you come from Tanini, but why do your songs sound like you from the States? Tell them Munghana by Zeli, cause me na show me. Yeah, 2021 Munghana return your COVID. Come from the ghetto, my life it ain't settled. I need me some medals. Thinking about days I was broke, don't want that for my kids, yeah. Yeah, ngenele trapi momish lava fan bana drama. Yeah, I prefer to call me a goat, mara I ain't boozy. Yeah, Baktala mi ring, I trip, mara still I me togi. Yeah, pick after pick every day, I be looking for likes, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm getting too personal for lava fana. Low was 99 and Kidwayne, yeah, my boy. I want that girl over there. What's your name, girl? Tell me. Now let me walk you home right now. Where you live, girl? Show me. I don't wanna be a friend, nah. I would lie if I say so. I just wanna be a boy right now. Let me ring your finger. Show me where you live, my baby. Tell me what's your name. I'll take you to my place, my baby. Introduce you to my mom. I'm talking ring your finger. Now let me ring your finger. Now show me where you live, my baby. Tell me what's your name, girl. I'll take you to my place, my baby. Introduce you to my mom. Let me ring your finger. On the first day we met, I saw you with your friends. Some beautiful girls, but I went for you, cause you caught my eye. Had to stop for a while, you were one of a kind. I was out of my mind, I was out of the words, but I chose to approach. So she didn't play dumb, she didn't play stupid. I tried to pour my heart, told her hold my cup. She told me hold on boy, I'm not that foolish. So feel my heart, you're gonna need her, but what you mean about that? I need your attention, I need your perfection and your imperfection. I know you're correct, that I don't have to ask. I'm trying my best, yeah. Don't tell me you don't see that I'm trying so hard to get you, but you play Baby girl, I'll never let you finger. I wanna ring your finger. Now let me ring your finger. It's kid wine, hey. I want that girl over there. What's your name, girl? Tell me. Now let me walk you home right now. Where you live, girl? Show me. I don't wanna be your friend, nah. I would lie if I say so. I just wanna be a boy right now. Let me ring your finger. Yeah. Now show me where you live, my baby. Tell me what's your name. Yeah. Ski Dwayne. Yeah. Hello, what's 99? Yeah. Every time when I get on my knees, talk to God, man, I pray for success. And I heard that my mama been praying on me, so that means I'm next. I'm tryna break the cycle, I'm tryna break this chain. I was raised in poverty, yeah, God, I won't die in poverty. Tryna break the cycle, tryna break this chain. And I was raised in poverty, but yeah, God, I won't die in poverty. God forbid, God is my witness, I won't die in poverty. God forbid, God is my witness, I won't die in poverty. God forbid, God is my witness, I won't die in poverty.
I pray money.
Kid wine, low what's 99? Yeah, I see murder everywhere I go. I don't know what tomorrow holds. So don't judge me when I'm trying. I so get a youth that why they call that case a homicide? Man, I swear I saw his sister cry. I wonder how his mama will cry. I wonder how his mama will cry. Yeah. I wonder how his family will cry. Why they call that case a homicide? That's why I saw his sister cry. Yeah, I wonder how his mama will cry. I see murder everywhere I go. Man, I swear the streets will show you no sympathy. Another homie made the news and talking for mean voice. The police trying to take statements, but there's no witnesses. How the hell he lost his life without no one concerned? Nowadays you lose somebody, no one seems surprised. Too many graves up in the cemetery, no more space. I'm trying to motivate the youth, I hope they pay attention. I've been feeling like the voice ever since Lamary. They be asking me what do I do just for a living. My only mission is to move my mama out the ghetto. So if I die today, I hope you miss me for my music. Not the smokes and the drinks that I share with you. Yeah. Skid wine, yeah. I don't know what tomorrow holds. So don't judge me when I'm trying. I so get a youth that why they call that case a homicide? Man, I swear I saw his sister cry. I wonder how his mama will cry. I wonder how his mama will cry. Yeah. I wonder how his family will cry. Why they call it case of homicide? they call that case homicide.
Hey, Ski Dwayne, hey. Let's go. Challenge Quash, you on the beat, hey. Yo, Flex, you make this, hey. Say, yeah. Lately I've been working on it. Tell my mama I will make it out. Know some people wanna see my downfall. It's not my fault that you don't know the struggle. I'm just chasing all my dreams. I'm not sleeping, don't you wake me. I want a new Mercedes. Yeah, I need a bunny man, I'm walk. Yeah, I run the game, coming back. Yeah, I've been living in a lose. I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Yeah, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been living in a lose. I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Yeah, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Yeah, step on the scene, I'm taking the lead, I'm running my pace. Yeah, truth be told, I'll tell you I'm this rapper's favorite rapper. Wasn't raised with a silver spoon, mama came with the brand, so I want that body. Yeah, 5.5 page views, when I just earned that and I'm independent. I'm a definition of a hustler. Yeah, you don't know about my struggle. Yeah, you don't know I'm from the mud, that's why I'm sipping dirty Sprite. Yeah, it's Kid Wayne. Lately I've been working on it. Tell my mama I will make it out. Know some people wanna see my downfall. It's not my fault that you don't know the struggle. I'm just chasing all my dreams. I'm not sleeping, don't you wake me. I want a new Mercedes. Yeah, I need a bunny man, I'm walk. Yeah, I run the game, coming back. Yeah, I've been living in a lose. I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Yeah, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been living in a lose. I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Hey, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. Hey, I've been caught in men, I'm walk. It's Kid Wayne, hey. Challenge Quash, you on the beat, hey. Yo, Flex, you make this. Me on the beat, yeah. Lowest 99. Yeah. Watch your tone when you talk to me. Cause the things that you say or you do will be hurting me. Yeah, let's go. I'm doing fine if you're asking me. All alone in my room, I will cry when you lie to me. About me. Sometimes I feel like I'm on rehab. When we apart, you're my missing piece. Yeah, it's kinda hard to love. I thought you promised not to let go. I thought
thought you promised not to leave. Why you acting like a kid though? It can't be hard for you to see. This kind of love is so dangerous, it's so hazardous. And if I break it down, we gon' pick it up like an economy, girl. I like the way you move, you got me in the mood. I'm feeling like a fool, the way I'm loving you. This feeling so good. Oh yeah, this feeling so good. I don't mean to be rude, but I kill for you. Yeah. And if I shoot my shot, it go grrr, blast. And I'ma make these haters die on my heats. Said if I shoot my shot, it go grrr, blast. And when I shoot my shot, it go grrr, blast. All alone in my room, I will cry when you lie to me. Tell me, say, I don't know what love is, yeah, and I can't describe it, yeah. When they ask me about it, yeah, I just think about you.
I'm thinking about you. I will never let you go, babe. I will never let you leave, Charlie. My whole mood I've been thinking about you.
This kid wine, I know what's 99. I said 99. And this life ain't enough for me. Yeah. Tell these haters don't bother me, I'm on a mission. They see my foundation, now they tryna break. But I never stop cause I see the light. How can I when I came this far? I see that God did play his part. Ooh. But this life ain't enough for me. Ain't enough for me. I don't know what they want from me. I don't know. They just complain, they won't bring me down. Just complain, they won't bring me down. And when you try hard, they just say you're not. I try hard. But this life ain't enough for me. This life ain't enough for me. I don't know what they want from me. I don't know. They just complain, they won't bring me down. Just complain, they won't bring me down. And when you try hard, they just say you're not. Oh, try hard, try hard. Patiently waiting for my time to come like a taxi. I'm ready like a soldier, I just hope that I don't sign a deal. They don't know how hard this is, and this song's don't write itself. Every situation I done been through, I swear I put that on my song. I don't need a diary, they might find out what I'm up to. Since so many girls who came in my life say they love me, they turn me to her man. Hey, I will make you know the things that I came across. If I tell you that I trust you, let me down. I keep on rolling my dice when I get a chance. I'm on a mission trying to tell my mama's story. When she see me winning, she gon' say she's sorry. Man, I do this for my nieces and nephews. I'm Kid Wayne, I ain't got no baby. I'm just living my life just the way I want. And you can tell me not, it's just me and Lil West. Every day I pray to God we make it out the hood. Tell these haters don't bother
This kid wearing hair and blue. They been hating on the kid from the start, and I don't know. Now when they see me, they don't act like Stevie Wonder, and I can tell you that I'm close. Yeah, I'm close. Dandelion, yeah, we close. Tell my homies that we close. Yeah. They been hating on that kid from the start, and I don't know. Now when they see me, they don't act like Stevie Wonder, and I can tell you that I'm close. Yeah, I'm close. You can see we doing shows. Tell my homies that we close.
I've been running, now I'm close. I'm a minute from the door.
Avuxeni nakambe vahlaleri, ni khensi ngopfu xinkarhananyana xa n'wehe. Risimu ra me ra masungulo i Inghozi. Risimu ra me ra vumbirhi i Ring Your Finger. Risimu ra me ra vunharhu i Poverty. Risimu ra me ra vumune i Homicide. Risimu ra me ra vuntlhanu i Nan'waka. Ra vu-6 i Addiction. Ra vu-7 i Try Hard. Ra makumu ra ku hetelela i I'm Close. Ndandlo khensa ngopfu, ndandlo khensa ngopfu eka Munghana Lonene, eka nkarhi lowu va nga nyika woho, na ka muganga lowu ni humaka ka wona. Ndandlo khensa na muganga lowu ni humaka ka wona wa Bekkersdorp na Tzaneen. So ni khensa ngopfu, va ni siku ra kahle.
Niributomi lebza baba. It's Kid Wayne, Low West 99. They said I gotta represent, man, I do this for my town, yeah. Niributomi lebza baba. What's a life after matric, yeah. Cause I'm still stuck up in the streets, making hits but they don't listen. Man, I've been pouring out my pain, hope one day you're gonna relate. Niributomi lebza baba, ebutomi lebza baba, yeah. Cause what's a life after matric when you're stuck up in the streets, yeah.